Dog Mountain here, and I just want to walk you through the withdrawal process on Meyo. If let's say you have accumulated 350 diamonds, or you have 700 or even more, how can you withdraw your money from Meyo using Digifinex? So what you need to do is, if you're in Zambia, there are a couple of ways in which you can actually withdraw money from there, but there is a limit. So far I've seen this PayPal, but PayPal has issues here in Zambia. You may try to withdraw money, but it will bounce back, and it's pretty difficult for you to reach out to PayPal guys. So then how do you use Digifinex? Because Digifinex has provision for you to withdraw money from there into your yellow card, even your Binance. There's TRC20 network there, and you can actually paste in the e-wallet address. So then how do you do that? Let's head on to Meyo. So when you log on to Meyo, what you need to do is you click on the icon in the bottom right corner, and then what you do is you hit on withdraw cash. When this loads up, you will be brought here. So you simply counter check. You see the number of, you check the number of diamonds and the dollars that they equate to. So we can say we have $10 here. So we click $10. Then you enter your password. That is the withdrawal password which you had set up. Then you simply click OK. Boom. And check out. We have USDT. We also have PayPal. So we click USDT and then click OK. And then enter your Digifinex UID. Oh my God. Okay. UID. So here you simply have to punch in the Digifinex UID. Then you click confirm. Okay, so after you enter your Digifinex UID, you actually be brought here where confirmation of the submission of details for withdrawal will actually pop up. Okay, so now what you do is head on to the description section so that you click on the link for you to install Digifinex. Then after installing it, make sure that you enter the code, which is the invitation code that I've actually left in the description section, and then you'll be good to go. If you get stuck, make sure you get back to me. I'll be able to guide you through.